I am rice. If you cook me and then keep me in the fridge, bacteria can grow fast and upset your stomach. Be careful. I am a tomato. Cold ruins my flavor and texture, making me bland and mushy. I keep best at room temperature. I am bread. Do not put me in the fridge. It dries me out and makes me stale. I am happier out here. I am honey. Cold makes me crystallize and harden, and I lose my smooth natural flow. Room temperature keeps me just right. I am a potato. The cold makes my starch turn into sugar, and it makes me taste worse. Keep me in a cool, dark place. I am onion. Cold air makes me oxidize faster. That helps bacteria grow on the surface. Don't keep me in the fridge. I am garlic. Storing me in the fridge can make me sprout and change my flavor, which is the last thing I want. I am ginger. The cold in the fridge changes my oils. That can upset your stomach and cause discomfort. Please keep me out of here.